Unity. Does unity mean we all have to be the same? Well, many used to think, yes. Unity means being like different flowers of one garden. Through unity we can bring peace and harmony to the world. Blessed is he who mingleth with all men in a spirit of utmost kindness and love. We are all unique and special. We need to get to know people of every religion, race, nation, and gender. We need to treat all of humanity with loving kindness in our hearts. We should work through our differences to consult and solve problems through diplomacy and peace, to create new ideas and think of everyone's welfare. Regard man as a mine rich in gems of inestimable value. Education can alone cause it to reveal its treasures and enable mankind to benefit therefrom. Unity starts within the family. When there is a problem, we put our head together and find a solution. Without unity, darkness of prejudice, hatred, and war is making us all miserable. Through unity, we accompany each other, help each other, and build a better place for all of us to live happy and comfortable, regardless of our race, religion, and place of birth.